Hi everybody, welcome back to my backyard once again. Today is gonna be a pretty quick video on how to repair your broken prop guards on your Cinewhoops, because we've all been there. You crash quite hard, something snaps and you have to wait a month for replacements to come from China. It's not really the best. And today I found out there is an easy and viable solution that's also very cheap and fast. So I'm gonna show you in a moment, but first of all, take a look at this damage. Actually, Gepardsy, they tend to break when you crash, not also that hard, like medium crash, they're gonna snap. So Gepardsy change plastics on your frames or make them thicker. So you can see it snapped. And I tried gluing back together, I tried melting it back together, adding some filament, doesn't really work and always snaps back like this. So I've not tried epoxy, but today I found a solution that's very easy. But before I show you that, please remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video and let me know what's your go-to solution for fixing something like this. So today I'm gonna show you, probably many people know, and if you don't, today you're gonna learn about this amazing tool. This is UV glue. Basically it's some kind of faster 3D printer resin that is activated by UV light. You just drop it in there, boom, you shine the light and it hardens. And actually it works quite good, I have to say, because I have repaired my Cinelog 30, you can see here, and it holds actually. It's nice. I've not crash tested it, but it seems to at least not have the propeller duct here going into the propellers like it was before, so it's already a win. Here is the broken arm of the duct and you can see it's a little bit melted on it and the surface it's a bit rough. And you want the surface to be rough like this. Of course, don't melt it, like sand it down a bit so the glue can actually grip on it and it will hold much better. And what you wanna do is you wanna create a sleeve basically on it. So let's open the glue. Super easy to apply, it's like just like a pen. You sprinkle it a bit, also inside you wanna cover everything. And now I'm in the sun, which is not ideal because the glue is gonna set faster. So I'm gonna, okay, just do like this. You wanna do like again a sleeve around it, so it has much better chance of holding. You see? Okay. And you can prime it like this. And it will harden instantly. It's crazy, this glue. You see? It's already hard. And also you wanna do the same on the back. And on the sides, of course. And boom, it's actually done in 1 minute. It already holds itself like it's strong. If you put it in the sun for like half an hour, it's gonna be even stronger because it cures again. But you can totally fly on it. And I guess if you crash, it's gonna snap again probably, unless you make it really thick. But I mean, it's not even, if you didn't know it was there, you wouldn't look, like it doesn't catch the eye. And I guess it's a pretty nifty way to repair your drones on the go or also at home while you wait for replacement. Or maybe you don't even need replacement anymore, because how often do you crash really? And that's it for this video. Remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know if you like this method, if you know any other methods. And also this glue, I leave the link in the description if you need it, if you wanna look up the name. UV glue basically is no brand. And I guess this thing is nice also for other stuff like your glasses break or anything else. This can come pretty handy in the house. So I didn't know about this glue, but today I'm in love with it because it's super fast and mess free. Stay safe and happy flying. Bye!